Getting rid of neck pain is important for feeling better and improving mobility. And here's a few simple tips that you can take to help you. Now, first, pay attention to your posture. When you're sitting or you're standing, your back, when it's straight and your shoulders are relaxed, you're already in a good section. So try to avoid looking down at your phone or your computer too long. Take breaks every 30 minutes. That can help as well. Next, you got to stretch, okay? Step 2, stretch your neck gently. You can tilt your head one way to side and the other, and basically look up and down and stretch slowly. These stretches can help relax tight muscles. Applying heat or cold can also help. Use a warm towel or a heating pad on your neck for like 15 to 20 minutes to ease the stiffness. If your neck hurts from an injury, a cool pack can reduce the swelling. You might also try gentle exercises like walking or swimming. These can strengthen your muscles and improve flexibility. And if your neck pain doesn't go away or if it gets worse, it's important to talk to a doctor because they can help find the cause and suggest treatments. And by taking care of your neck and practicing good habits, you can help reduce pain and feel better. Let's say your neck pain's over here, by the way. Touch the spot where it really hurts and go against it and hold for 20 seconds and let go. Do the same thing here. Hold, let go. You're going to relieve pain, you're going to relieve stress.